Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover Dropbox deleted files. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start off, make sure you're logged into Dropbox. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar layout with all your saved files. What we're interested in for this guide is specifically the left-hand side of your screen. Now, as you glance over to the left, you'll notice a menu with various options. Among these, there should be an option labeled Deleted Files. This is where Dropbox stores files that have been removed. It's important to note that files are typically stored here for up to 30 days or longer, depending on your account type. This makes it vital to act promptly when you need to recover a file. Once you're viewing your deleted files, you can start to browse through this list. If you want to recover a specific file, locate it within the list. For those of you who are dealing with multiple lost files, check the box at the top corner to select all files in the list. This can save you time if you're restoring everything. After selecting the files you wish to recover, look for the button that says Restore. Click on it. This action will cue Dropbox to reinstate the chosen files to their original location in your account. Finally, you'll see the option to restore all files if you've elected to recover everything in your deleted files list. Confirm this selection to complete the process. And that's it. So that is how you can recover Dropbox deleted files. So that's all for this video. Thanks.